Hi, I'm the COE. I've been wanting to start this channel for several years now. I think I have some good ideas and I'd like to share them with you. This channel is mostly to work with day-to-day engineering work, electrical engineering work primarily. I'll do some analog, some digital, some mixed signal, controls, what else? A little bit of RF, you know. That's part of what I do for a living, for one, and then two, it's what I love. And I like to share it with people. Another purpose of the channel will be to encourage young engineers, maybe high school kids or freshman or sophomore level engineers. Really show them what the occupation's about and the kind of things that you can do once you're in the occupation, and some of the things you need to worry about. You know, school doesn't teach you everything about these things. In fact, most of what you learn is not in school. In school you learn a bunch of math and theory and background and all these really important things, but sometimes you don't really get the heart of what especially analog engineering is about. It's a very difficult field. Everything involves analog, from digital, RF, and analog. It all originates in the analog realm. So what I really want to do is dig a little deeper than some of the other bloggers. A lot of the other bloggers are really good at what they do, and they make some great videos. But the signal pests really encouraged me, because the gentleman on that channel, and I forget his name right off, he really focuses really real deep subjects. And I really appreciate that. I'm not so much an RF guy, so some of the topics that he talks about is way above what I usually deal with every day. But there's been times when I've gone and I've watched his video. I really like the one gigahertz, or what was it? 66 gigahertz oscilloscope teardown they did. Yeah, I think it was 66 gigahertz. So that was a really impressive video, and you know, I'm a big oscilloscope buff, just like many people. So anyway, I just want to kind of dig into these things with you a little bit more. Maybe do some repair work, maybe do some definitely a lot of design work. I really want to focus on design work, circuit design, how to come up with different ideas. So that's really what I want to focus on with this channel. A little bit of information about myself. I've been working in electrical engineering for 10 years. I started out in the aerospace industry at one of the mega corps. I started out doing ground support systems, and then I did deep space stuff. So like I did Jupiter once, Mars a couple of times, and I think that's it. But during that time, I got the opportunity to do the lithium-ion battery charger for a Mars mission, and actually design that almost from scratch. There were a couple of things we kept, but it was very important to the success of the mission. So we'll see how that goes. It's yet to launch, but we'll see how it goes. So I've worked on 4 NASA missions. I've also worked in commercial automation of buildings, Internet of Things sort of thing, cloud-based systems. I primarily did a relay controller, a wireless relay controller, and I also did some sensors, some motion detection and ambient light detection. So those are, you know, real important things for that industry. So on a more lighter note, I live in Colorado, hence the name Colorado EE. I'm a Colorado electrical engineer. I really love it here in Colorado. I do a lot of the things normal Coloradans do. I like camping, hiking, fishing, and snowboarding. You know, those sorts of things. That's why I live here. I love it here. I love riding my bike. I live in a little town called Longmont. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy this video, this channel really, because I'm really hoping it works and it's a real collaborative environment, excuse me. I'm new to this video thing, so I'm trying the best I can. So just be patient with me as I learn new things and new techniques. Some of my editing might be choppy. My camera's not great, stuff like that at this point. So just be a little easy on me. That's all I ask. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I look forward to my first video. I've already started on it a little bit, so we'll see you soon. Bye.